Yo, when I say I never seen a plant sprout so fast, I mean just that. So when I say I'm definitely gonna take a bigger pot, probably something a little bit more, probably 20 times larger than that, and I'm gonna grab a lot of ginger, man, cause um now I see how well it grows. Like when I say this thing took off in a matter of, okay, let's just say I put it in there probably about a week or two ago, and uh it didn't do nothing for the first 2 weeks. Like I didn't even notice no type of growth, no type of anything. And then maybe like it took it like it I seen a little sprout come out, just a little bit. And then literally the day after or 2 days after that happened. So I don't know when it had time to grow that freaking fast. But when I say those things grow fast, they grow fast. I mean, look at that. That thing sprouted. It sprouted. When I say it sprouted like fast. So yeah, man, I would definitely recommend going to the grocery store. That's what I did, and just go in there and get you like, well, this was probably about 3 or 4 ginger pieces in there. Just go to the grocery store. I would recommend a much bigger pot, cause you know, this will probably hold probably 5 or 10 gingers maybe to the most. So I'm going bigger with this, a lot bigger. But yeah, I would definitely get you like 3 or 4 gingers, throw them in some soil. Um, a lot of this stuff I don't even maintain because we get so much rain here in Georgia, especially during hurricane season, that I barely have to come out here and do anything to these plants. But just make sure they get some water, and watch what I say, man. Watch how fast this thing takes to sprout. I mean, it don't take long at all. It sprouted fast. When I came out here and I seen this, I was so surprised because it did it so fast. It's amazing. So yeah, y'all go out there and get y'all some ginger, man. Ginger is so good for you, very healthy for you, very good for you, and I'm gonna have some good health in the next year when I finally do start coming out here and harvesting some of this stuff. Right now, I'm just letting it all grow. Watching it, learning from it, seeing how well certain things grows and what's the best thing to keep up. And so far, ginger is on my list for maintaining and definitely making a larger yield and a more space for it and stuff like that. So yeah, man, go out there and get y'all some ginger, man. It don't take long. And ginger is very good for you. Till then, I'm out.